is K. Sai Venkat. I have studied my intermediate at Simla. I am studying my BTech at BTech University. My father is K. Venkat Rao. He is a government employee. My mother is a homemaker. I am enrolling at AH Career for C programming language. My mentor is Adhijan sir. He is a very good teacher. He explains very difficult questions with ease by showing practical examples. He creates a very good environment in the class which helps us to learn in an easy way. I would like to prefer AH Career to everyone to join any computer languages. Thank you.